Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to create custom fields and custom URLs. So once you get into your Leadsius account, you're going to head to settings and let's take a look at custom URLs here. Custom URLs are basically a URL that you're going to use for your landing pages. So rather than driving to a landing page that has app.leadsius.com, for example, you can create a custom name here. So let's use an example. Let's say we wanted to create content at Leadsius. We'll give that the name. That's just for us on the back end. And we'll select whether this is HTTP or HTTPS, and we'll create the subdomain here. Now, now this is just for testing purposes, but this would say yourwebsite.com or yourwebsite.se, for example. So for this, we'll use content at enow.se, and we'll click selected, which basically tells the system this is the custom URL you would like to use for all of your landing pages. In order to create this, however, you have to first create a CNAME, is what it's called. Now you can find more information on that by just Googling how to create a CNAME or asking your webmaster for some help. Moving on, let's take a look at custom fields. Custom fields are basically when you go to have you ever experienced a form that asks you some questions such as what is your industry, or what role do you have within your company? Some of these questions aren't always available by default when you're creating a web form as fields. So what you're going to do is you're going to go here to the custom fields section and add new. And for the sake here, you can see I've created some examples in the past when we've done demos, but the one I like to use is favorite color. So this could be a question maybe that's important to your business to know what people's favorite color is. If it were, you would come here to custom fields, you'd create the name of this, and again, this is just for you to know on the inside of the platform, and you define what kind of a field this is going to be. In this case, checkbox is a multi-select checkbox. You could have a multi-select pick list, which is a drop-down, or a radio button, which is one or the other. But you can experiment and get used to the types that we allow. And from here, you're going to select either contact or company. In this case, we put this on the contact level. So this is going to sync with the contact to the contact card. And below, you'll basically be able to add all the different fields that you'd like. In this case, red, blue, purple. If I wanted to add another color option, I could click here and put orange as well, or maybe that's good for the example. So this is how you create a custom field. Once you save this, you're going to see this available when you're building a web form to be able to drag and drop it in. And custom fields, for those who don't know, is the starting point for segmentation. Based upon this, you'd be able to segment future marketing campaigns or future actions, for example, towards only the people who like the color red. All right, thank you for watching.